Good day guys, welcome. Today I'm showing you how to find the SWIFT code for Habib Bank Limited, one of Pakistan's biggest banks, so you can nail those international transfers. First, head to hbl.com, it's the official website. Scroll down to contact us or search SWIFT codes in the top right corner. You can also find it under International Banking or Branch Locator. The main SWIFT code for their head office in Karachi is the one you can see on the screen. Also HABBPKKA, but it can vary by branch. For example, they can be different ones. The one you can see on the screen is related to Islamabad. Now, step 2, call or visit them. You can dial their helpline, have your branch details ready, like city or account number, and ask, what's my branch SWIFT code? They'll confirm it fast. It can be different depending on the city and branch. Ex-users swear by this for accuracy, especially if the site's vague. Right, and of course, lastly, you can use online tools like the one I'm using right now, the website called Transfers. Just log into this one. As you can see, the information is on the screen. Firstly, we have the country, which is the most important, then the city. As I said, it's going to be different based on the city. Corporate center branch, and here's the SWIFT code. So guys, hopefully this helped you out. Enjoy this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.